What's up, everybody? It's Coach Korey here with the Transition, a real resource for players and coaches. Getting ready to start a workout out here in Atlanta, Georgia, and it's a super special day because I'm actually about to unbox one of my clients, Isaac Okoro's new signature shoe. He's with HOLO. You see the logo right there on the box. I'm super excited. I'm gonna try them on. I'm actually gonna work out in them today or train my client in them. Let's see how they feel. Family, grit, purpose, leadership, loyalty. I already love it, man. The box got some detail in it, and these are dope in person, doper than they even look on the pictures. I like the fact that they're low top, got a little strap. Looks like it'll be comfy inside, got some extra cushion. Really like this design, man. It's original, it doesn't necessarily look like everyone else's shoe right now. I ain't gonna lie, everybody's shoe kind of looks the same. Look like everybody wanted another pair of Kobe's. This is dope. Let's go ahead and try one of these bad boys on. All right. Oh, the strap actually, you can kind of pull it from side to side and adjust it. I like that. Never seen that. For those of you guys who've never heard of HOLO, because I hadn't either before Isaac signed with them, they're actually a hiking shoe. Like, they really focus more so on like outdoor wear, hiking shoes, casual shoes. I think they've got a WNBA player who plays for the Dallas Wings. Her shoes are dropping soon. You guys can find out all about those shoes that are coming on their website, holofootwear.com. Yes, sir. Make sure I'm buckled down in there. My swag right, I want my laces out. You know what, it's not too snug. It feels good on my feet right now. It's got a wide toe box. As I get older and I want to be on the court for hours and hours every day, I don't want my toes scrunched up. It's not too much on my heel. I used to have plantar fasciitis, so I would get a lot of pain and swelling back here. So it actually feels good, and I still am able to be mobile in my ankle. So overall, it's a good shoe so far. HOLO Footwear, Isaac Okoro. Check him out. My boy official. Yeah, man, honestly, it's super inspirational. It just lets you know that you're really capable of anything. And I think for Isaac to go from the basketball court to the boardroom, it also lets you know there's really no boundaries, right? Like, you know, you try to conquer adversity here on the floor, try to master your craft, and now to see him like negotiating deals, fighting for equity, and trying to establish himself in a new space, right, that maybe he knew nothing about some years ago. Again, it's just inspirational to see. So for everybody that's from this area, from Powder Springs, from Atlanta, Georgia as a whole, I think Isaac is, him and Jaylen Brown, they're like those flagship pioneers that are out there making changes and causing ripple effects in the shoe industry because they're going against the grain. They're not going with the system, with the machine, right? So I think it's something that more guys are gonna do. You're gonna see more players, you know, trying to get equity with smaller brands, trying to start their own way. And these bigger brands, they're gonna have to adjust. They're gonna have to come correct and find a way to add more value because guys aren't happy with the deals as is right now. So super happy for Isaac as well as anybody who gets this type of opportunity, but it hits closer to home, obviously, because of our relationship. So shout out to Isaac, man. Proud of you.